Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to be here with my brothers, almighties, and Deputy Jesus. And today is actually the 5th of July 2025. We are here in Enugu right now for the Senate public hearing on state creation and a boundary adjustment and other related matters.
Yes, so power.
We are on behalf of international cultural groups among the primus agitation activists agitating for this Anioma state creation. Anioma state creation is a goal, it's a bomb, it's what we need. In fact, if any state must be created in the whole Nigeria now, it's only Anioma that have socioeconomic qualification,
yes,
political qualification, and historical qualification, because the agitation of Anioma state beyond network is just a young man compared to the agitation of Anioma state. So people are saying that it is a political agenda. No. Our political forefather like Osadepe, the BC Jomas, and other have advocated of Anioma, and it was not. It didn't happen in the present. But it will be the dream come true from the grave. That we started. I will end it. So my people, Anioma state creation is beyond partisan politics of APC, PDP, whatever, and network. Exactly. So we have a lot of things to make it work. Oil, land, everything is Anioma. Please, Anioma is a go. Anioma is a
go. Power.